Hello everybody. So I have another vacuum here, sorry. Yes I do, I have another vacuum. I was supposed to do it, well I got it like a week or two ago. This is my Hoover commercial portapower. I've been interested in one of these for a while. And I had enough money because I got a lot of Amazon gift cards for Christmas. And I had enough and I bought it. I got it. And I've used it a few times already and I'm really impressed with it. I don't know if there's anything I don't like about it. I don't think there is. I don't think, well maybe there is, I don't know. But, yeah, this is it. I think it does do a good job, as I said. It's probably not, it's not the same quality as, like, when they first came out, but I'm surprised that they still make this design still after who knows how many years of the portapower being out. But I like it a lot. As you see right here, it has a really long commercial cord with this cord strap. You just release it like that, and then you release the cord, and I keep it on here, and I just snap it back like that into place. It has a really long commercial cord on it, as you can see right here. It's a good vacuum with this long cord on it. It makes cleaning a whole lot easier with a long cord. As you can see, it comes with a shoulder strap. Shoulder strap so you can hang around your shoulder, or you can carry it by the handle, obviously. It has a stretch hose, as you see. I'm trying not to move it, but it is a stretch hose. And it does I like the stretch hose. It's better than like a regular hose when they first came out with this. Another thing I do like, I like that you don't have to buy bags. There's a cloth bag in here, which is a shakeout bag. I did empty it the last time, but yeah, sorry if it's dirty, but it's a cloth shakeout bag for in here. You just shake it out, and then you put it back in there if I can. There we go. Then you take this metal clip right there, and then you lock it back into place. Back here is the exhaust filter in the back. I'm not gonna mess with it now because I am one-handed, but you could take the hose out right there and take the post motor filter out and use it as a blower, which I'm gonna try when it's nice weather out. So right here are the accessories. As you see, you have two metal ones with right there, the pit fitting, which is on all the tools. So there's a locking ring on the handle, which I forgot to show, but it has a locking ring. Oops. Here's the floor head. This is the floor head that I've seen ever since they came out. Sorry if it's dirty, but it has been used. It's not the same quality as they were before in the past, but I still like these nozzles. They do a really good job at cleaning. They don't do bad, even though it has no brushes, like rotating brushes, but what are we gonna do about it? In here we have sorry about that. I should open the bag. I should have opened the bag beforehand. Anyways, there's more accessories in here. Here's the hardwood floor tool. I like this hardwood floor tool. It does a really good job. I used it Saturday. Clean up cat litter, did a pretty good job. Then you have the dusting brush right here. The upholstery tool right here, which I like because it has these rubber teeth. Get rid of the pet hair. Even though I have to go over it a few times, it eventually gets rid of the pet hair and gets sucked up. And then you have the crevice tool. Obviously with all the tools, they have that pit fitting. right there. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good vacuum. I'm not gonna I am gonna turn it on, but I don't. It's gonna be really difficult and awkward if I had it on my shoulder and using the hose and everything else while one-handed. So I'm not gonna bother that, but I am gonna turn it on for you guys. I forgot if there's any other complaints. I don't know if there's any complaints. Well, maybe there is. It's these wands. Like here at the, which end was it? It was this one maybe, or was it the other one? Oh yeah, right here I think. These things, can't tell or not, but they will easily dent. They dent very easily, which is kind of disappointing, but what are you gonna do about it? So yeah, let me plug it in really quickly, and I forgot it. There we go. I am gonna turn it on really quickly and then let you guys hear it. As you see, it on and off switches right here at the top. Yeah, so as you see, it's pretty powerful. Yeah, it is loud, but what we're gonna do about it, I picked up some cat hair so you can see a little demonstration. But yeah, if you guys like this video of my Hoover portapower commercial vacuum cleaner, please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos from me, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.